Hey, what's going on, guys? This is a 2016 Kia Forte, and I'm going to point out to you where you can find the location of the fuses for the power outlets. This car's got two in the front here, and the fuses are going to be located down in here. So you pull this cover off, and the two fuses for you to check, they're both 20 amp, and there's one at the right front, that one right there. That's for one of the power outlets, and the other one is going to be this 20 amp up here as well. So you're going to want to check both of those, and what you can do is you can pull the fuse out with some pliers. So it just pops straight out, and you can kind of look inside the fuse and see if it's burnt or not. So yeah, that's about it. And you just push the fuse back in like so. If you want to read more about the other fuses, the info is on the back of this cover that you pulled off. So yeah, be sure to check that out if you're looking for maybe an AC fuse or some other fuse, power seat maybe. And when you want to put this back on, you just simply, let's see, it goes on like this. So you get the top in first, and then you push the bottom in. So yeah, that's that. Let me know if you guys have any questions.